You can see that this document has 4 paragraphs. The first paragraph is describing summer, the second one spring, the third one winter, and the fourth one autumn. I wish to change the order of the paragraphs to reflect the order of the seasons. So that means the spring paragraph should come first and the winter paragraph should come last. I will drag across the spring paragraph in order to highlight it. And now I wish to move this up. And a very quick way to do this is to use the keyboard. And it entails you pressing down the Alt, Shift, and the page up keys together. And you can see that the spring has moved to the top. I will now highlight the winter paragraph. And I wish to move this down. Now this is pretty similar to how we move the spring one up. It's the same keys almost. You press the Alt, Shift, but on this occasion you don't press the page up, you press the page down, and you will see that the winter paragraph will move down. If you look at the document now, you can see that the order of the paragraphs reflect the order of the seasons: spring, summer, autumn, winter.